are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts.
Campbell back at that son. Alright, did a little research, a little shopping, and today we're going to hopefully fix this guy behind me. 2007 Nissan Murano. Let me show you what we got, and I'll then explain what the game plan is. For those of you who didn't see, you should check out the last video, because I ran into a little bit of problem. A little bit of a problem. Big goddamn problem I ran into. We did some shopping. Got a bunch of drill stuff. A bunch of drill bits. All sorts of crap. All sorts of fun stuff here. For those of you who don't know what's going on, can't see it, but back where my finger is, this is where the valve cover normally is. Hey, valve cover. So this is where the back one normally is on this engine, and right about where my finger is, I snapped the valve cover bolt off into the hole. Then I snapped the screw extractor off into the hole, which, for those who don't know, it's hardened. It's a hardened type of hardened steel, and regular drill bit does not go through it whatsoever. So plan is we are going to first I'm going to try to use a diamond tipped basically a hole saw. I'll show you what I already showed you. One of these guys. I don't know if the camera's focused. I can't tell if the camera's focused or not here. I'm on camera. This guy. Diamond Plus, Milwaukee. I'll try to use that guy. Some people on YouTube said that drill through a screw extractor or a tap, which is, the same type of metal. So that's going to be the first path that I'm going to attempt to fix this shit. And then I'm not going to use, I'm just going to try to drill straight all the way through. I'm not going to use the factory or the stock, whatever you want to call it, valve cover bolt. Going to use a aftermarket whatever bolt, just a standard regular bolt with a nut underneath it. This is a nut, by the way. If you didn't know, this means nut. This means nut. You got a nut. I got a nut right here. Right here. Here's a nut. Alright. So put a nut underneath and lock washer and everything. So hopefully we can at least clamp down. This is clamped down, by the way. I'm a sign language expert. If you didn't know this by now, I have certifications and everything. You look it up. Look it up. Ryan Campbell, certified sign language guy. It's official. I have a plaque on my wall. Alright, so clamp down the valve cover to hold it tight so it doesn't leak. The whole problem I was having was oil was leaking everywhere. And ended up making it run like, I'm hoping this is the problem, making it run like crap because it's throwing codes and misfiring because also not only the valve cover's leaking, but the spark plug tube seals were leaking. And I've come to find out with that as well that they're built right into the valve cover, so I couldn't even replace them. That's another problem. You could watch the previous video. You know what? I'll put a link. I'll put a link to the previous video so you can see what already happened. Right there. Right there. Freeze frame. Alright. So yeah. Forgot my line of train of thought. Who the hell cares? Do you care? Do you? Do you really? I don't think so. You're lying. Don't lie to me. Oh, bullshitter. Let's get to it. Might start off videoing and then might do time lapse. I don't know how this is gonna go. start off optimistic and do video. I'm being optimistic that this bit's gonna get through. See you later. Actually, don't click off. Just keep watching. Keep watching. But you'll see me from a different angle. But keep watching. Nothing's easy. Nothing easy. Hopefully I'm making progress here. It looks like I am, but you never know. And gremlins might show up and have a field day with me. Sweating all over the goddamn place. Girl's getting hot. Yep, there goes some water. The hot girl. Come on, baby. Get through there. Get through there. Get in the hole. Get in the hole, ball. Don't you want to go home? One of these days. One of these days. To the moon, Alice. To the moon. Make it hot, 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 hot. Make it hot, 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 hot. Make it hot. Felt something gave. Her water broke. Gotta go. I thought something gave. False contractions, ladies and gentlemen, false contractions. Get out of here, baby. Get out of here. Look, I'm drilling the goddamn China here. Jesus. Hey, Yahtzee! Yahtzee! Got her done, boys. I knew I could do it because I'm awesome. Can't see if you could see. Can you see? Can you see? Pat on my back. I got her done. Got the hole drilled out. You can't see. Oh, maybe you could. I don't know. Nah, you can't see. Well, let's keep rocking and rolling. Throw this bad boy on there and get the rolling down the road. Probably do a time lapse now because it's just standard put together nonsense. I'm hoping. I thought last time was, oh, I'm cruising. Oh, you know, things are going good. Nope. Slap. Enough of that crap, Ryan. Your life is too easy. But we're doing time lapse. Dance. So we got all wrapped up, started her up already, checked for leaks, no leaks so far. It stays that way. I'm hoping. Hopefully we should be wrapped up with that for a while. There is some other nonsense crap junk that most of you don't care about. You don't care about me. You don't care about my feelings. You'll kick a man when he's down, won't you? Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will. You know what? You could just go kick rocks or something, because I don't care about you if you don't care about me. It's how it goes in my world. It's how it goes on Soup to Nuts. One thing I wanted to show you real quick. This guy here, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. This is what I find. You can get a good shot there. Ah, it's falling apart because it's warm and hot. Goddamn, middle of the engine bay, under the intake manifold. Under the intake manifold. Granola bar. I got the Keebler elves in my goddamn car with. That's why it was leaking. That freaking elf nibbling away at crap back there. I want baked goods. I don't want ripped seals. Get your together, elves. Get your together. Alright. Drive fast and take chances.